Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Greet Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and happy. So if you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support, guys. So in the description box below, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow. Please support me, guys. Okay, so the topic for today is what your future self wants you to know. So your future self, what are their messages? This is going to be that reading. So I have 3 piles over here, so you can select using these crystals. The first group has this green aventurine. Okay, for my first group this is green aventurine. For my second group we have lapis lazuli. Okay, and for my third group we have obsidian. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. So close your eyes, empty your mind and call upon your spirit angels and let them guide you while picking a pile for you. So pick with your intuition, and if you want more time, please pause the video and take your time. Okay, so in the description box below I'll be providing the timestamps. You can go ahead and click there and watch the video accordingly. And remember, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. Okay guys, let's start with group number 1. So hello group 1, whoever chose this green aventurine, let's see what's your reading, what your future self wants you to know. Let's see. So the first card over here you got is happy. Okay, happy. That is 8 number, 26. Okay, maybe 26 is important, or maybe you were born on 26. For some of you it might be important number. And I feel with 2 plus 6, that is 8. 8 number is all about abundance, prosperity, and it's also about the infinity symbol, right? So maybe your higher self wants you to know that don't be sad right now, because in the future you are going to be happy. So live in the moment. Okay, your future self wants you to know that live in the moment, live in your present self. Okay, be happy about the things you're achieving in your life. Why are you sad? It's okay, sometimes challenges are gonna come, so be happy. Okay, have that higher vibration, be in that higher vibration. I feel like that your higher self wants you to know that. And I feel for some of you, they want you to know that it's time you meditate. Okay, you need to meditate more, because look at that, the angels are also smiling here. Okay, so the future self wants you to know that there's nothing to worry. You're just over stressing about yourself. If you're stressing about something, don't stress. Okay, your future self wants you to know that the happy times are there. You will be happy, you will be feeling good about yourself. Okay, and then the next card you got is like message in a bottle. Okay, so yeah. So for some of you, you will receive some messages that will make you so happy. Okay, it might be messages from your angels, maybe you will be seeing some signs and that will make you happy. For some of you, it might be a text message from a loved one. Okay, I feel like that, a text message from a person that you thought you will never get a message from, maybe that kind of thing, and that will make you so happy. So yes, if you're waiting for a message, I feel your future self wants you to know that that message will come. Don't worry. Okay, so with this 15 number, that is 1 plus 5, 6. I feel a 6 number is all about like peace and harmony in relationship, balancing thing. 6 is all about family also. Maybe you will receive some messages from your family and you will be so happy. So so it's important that you live in the moment and don't stress about the future. Okay, and with this telephone over here, maybe you might get a call. Okay, or you might get a Gmail, email. Okay, so something like that, I feel like that. Or maybe some career opportunities that will make you happy. Anything, a message that will make you happy for sure. With this happy card and this message card, that's for sure you will get a good news. Okay, in the future, so don't stress about anything. Okay, angel of love, so it might be about love also. Okay, as I said, some loved one will message you and will you will be over the top because you will be so happy. Okay, so your future self wants you to know that no stress. Don't stress about anything. Be relaxed, be happy, and be love, and at the same time love yourself. Okay, don't, sometimes what happen, we appreciate other people, we give good comments to other people, but we don't appreciate ourselves. For you, I feel like that you need to appreciate yourself more and more and more also, because whatever you're doing is good job. They want to give you a thumbs up. I feel like that, because that is coming here. And look at this green aventurine also. I was talking about prosperity, and you selected the crystal green aventurine. It's all about prosperity, abundance, connecting with nature, grounding your energy, okay, and feeling loved at the same time. When you feel loved, when you love yourself, you will be pouring out love to so many other people also, and you will be, when you're happy now, the positive aura will reach other people also, right? So I feel for you that you will be very, very positive in the future because of this news, and you'll be happy, that kind of energy. Okay, you got this man holding a coin. Okay, so someone is coming in your life. I just felt tarot sign. For some of you, maybe a tarot sign person is coming in your life, a male. For some of you, if you're female, anyways, they will be providing you with they will be helping you in your finances. I feel like that. It might be love also, maybe a boss who will be helping you with your business or finances, providing your job, that kind of person. For some of you, I feel it will be a love. That person will be secured in his life. He will be like having all the abundance, and you will have a, and that abundance will help you in a way to you live a better life. I feel for some of you that can be the thing. And for others of you, if you are a male, I feel you will be holding the coin, you will be in your power, you will have the the business idea that will make you grow and be successful in your life. That is also possible here for some of you. Okay, and yeah, I kind of feel like that. That is it. And sometimes yeah, that is what it's coming. I feel like that. Yeah, if you're male, you will get all the success also, so don't worry. Your future self wants you to know that you have that potential, so just keep on working on with love. Okay, whatever you're working on, please keep on working with love, and don't get disheartened quickly, because I feel you get disappointed very quickly, so don't do that also. I feel like that. Look, okay. So the five of wands. Yeah, look, you have so much of conflict inside you. You feel you're not you feel you're not reaching anywhere. Other people are reaching their success, and you're just standing there, and your dreams and goals are not manifesting or something. Even if it's manifesting little by little, you're not appreciative of that, because you want everything in a hurry. I feel like that. So that's why you have so much of conflict inside you. Maybe this is an internal thing for some of you. Maybe there are people around you in your career, or in your environment, in your relationship, where there is arguments happening, and you're not at all satisfied with the situation. Okay, I feel like that. Okay, but your future self wants you to know that. Look at that. For some of you, it's definitely new love. Okay, new love is coming. And for some of you, maybe it may be your relationship is renewing. Sometimes what happen, a relationship, in a relationship, all the you will have a new birth. Your relationship will be glowing again. You will be having same opinions. Finally you will be understanding each other. That's the thing I want to say. Okay, and that will make you happy. With this joy card also, celebrations will be happening. So in the future, maybe marriage, because you might marry this person. Okay, so there might be celebrations happening. You will be very, very joyful. You will be happy. Your cup will be full. Okay, you will be glowing. For some of you, if you're in a relationship, I kind of feel that you will be enjoying this relationship. Okay, there have been arguments, there have been conflicts, but finally things will be it will be okay, I feel. And for some of you, it's like new love coming into your life, and that will lead to marriage, that will lead to some celebration. Okay, you will be celebrating something else. Okay, not marriage, maybe some birthday celebration or something celebration worthy. Maybe you will celebrate. And for some of you, you will be celebrating about your success in your career or something like that. Whatever it is, you will be celebrating. So for this pile, it's like you have so much conflict inside of you. I feel like that you're stressing. That's why your future self wants you to know that don't stress, be happy. Okay, new things are coming into life. You're gonna glow. You're gonna, I feel for many of you in the future, you will be glowing. You will be changing your hairstyle or something. I don't know, maybe you will gain weight or lose weight, and that will also make you happy in some sort of way. I feel like that you will be very, very glowing, very, very handsome, or very, very beautiful. Something like that is like coming, because we have these two person, they are also beautiful. So something like that, your inner light will shine. Okay, I don't I do. So yeah, your future self wants you to know that you're so worthy. You are worthy. Your future self wants you to know you're worthy of love, you're worthy of money, you're worthy of everything. So live a happy life, don't stress, and keep your vibration always higher. I feel like that. Okay, so let's see what your charms have to say. Okay, and I will do letters also. So let's see what your charms have to say for group 1. Okay, for group 1, what your future self wants you to know. Okay, and let's see. So yeah, I feel with this charm also, your future self wants you to know that it's important that you love yourself. You're worthy. Okay, if you're feeling like weak and all, your future self wants you to know that you're worthy. Okay, so let's see any letters, your letters. Let's see. Okay, so I'll just show you the letters: B, L, G, H, A, D, and a blank. Then we have U, S, V, E, Y, S, and then we have I. Okay, I just get this us, I said that something, about us, having a relationship, that is very good, very healthy relationship. I feel like that in the future, if you had that kind of unhealthy relationship, I feel in the future you will have healthy relationships. Okay, and anything else? Okay, so I'll go with the charms. Okay, so yeah, you need to let go, and you need to get out of your comfort zone here. Get out of the box, guys. Okay, do something daring, take a risk. Maybe your future self wants you to know that. And with these feathers, and with these feathers, so many feathers you got. So yes, your angelic presence is immense. You're protected, you're guided. You can connect with your intuition, you can see clearly. Now. Okay, so just connect with your intuition, connect with your higher self, connect with your future self. You need to connect more, because they are around you, they're guiding you. Okay, because I feel like that there are so many feathers, right? And maybe for some of you, you need to write a book. I don't know why I'm saying that, but maybe you need to write a book, you need to write a blog that you have been trying to do for so long. You haven't done it because you're procrastinating, because you feel that you're not capable of it. So your future self wants you to know that you're capable of it. Okay, and look at that. The thing that came inside here is love. You there is all about love, and you will be clearly saying love. Okay, you will understand who is lovable. And I feel for this, with the specs, with the spectacles, you can see clearly now, and you can see that you're loved. So you will be seeing that you're loved, and you'll be I know you need to be gentle with yourself, and I feel you will see that there is love around, all around. You will be seeing love from the divine. You will be experiencing that love. I feel like that. And with this mirror also, self-love, you will be loving yourself more and more and more. I feel like that. And things coming together, guys. Look, with this keys, look, everything is coming together. I feel for you, everything is coming, the energies are coming together, things are manifesting for you. So look, this with the keys also, we have two keys, right? And you have one key here also, so you have all the solutions there, okay? And with these two keys, you know, yeah, it's like a couple thing. I feel like that you're moving inward someone, that can also happen, okay? So I feel that also is coming here. And again, you're so protected, and you know, you're wise, your intuition is protecting you, I feel, because look at this, it didn't happen, you know, this is the first time this is happening here, this to get, you know, it's not coming out, okay. Oh, wait a second. Anyways, yeah, so these two, so I feel you're protected, your divine is protecting you, your intuition will protect you, you know, you trust your intuition, okay, because your intuition will help you make better decision for you. So don't let your intuition go, okay, and stick to the plans, okay. So whatever you're doing, stick to the plan, don't give up because of other people, because of other people thinking, because they might think that you will not able to achieve things, but that's not the case, okay. And you will have all the energy, and you know, let go of this negativity also, I feel like. Instead, you know, embrace this playful creativity inside of you, okay. I feel like that also. And with this dragon fly, you can adapt anywhere. And with this dragonfly, the word that is coming into my mind is like magic manifesting. So magically things will manifest for you, and you will be able to, and you're that kind of people, you will be able to survive in any conditions. You have that much courage and strength. So don't give up your plan, stick to the plan, okay. Love life, I feel if you're single, yes, there is a potential love happening. At the same time, you need to have self love. Some of you are not, you know, appreciating yourself for your hard work, so you need to appreciate more. And your wisdom, your wiseness will protect you all the time, and your intuition will protect you. And so always, I feel it's important, you need to trust your intuition more and more, okay. So yeah, you got a yes, okay. Yes, so if you had a question in your mind, it's a yes. So yes, your future self is saying yes, okay. So that's all I have for group number 1. If you like the reading, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Hello, for group number 2 who chose this lapis lazuli, let's see what your future self wants you to know. So the first card you got is the faith card, okay. So 17 number might be important to you, okay. And 1 plus 7 is 8. So I feel I don't know, something is like round and round in your life. The energies are coming back again and again. The cycle keeps on repeating, because you need to learn some lesson. When you learn that cycle will stop, I feel like that. So if something is like manifesting, the same cycle is happening in your life, you need to check on what you're doing. You know, if you're controlling something, you need to take a look on that. If some cycles are keeping on repeating, so you need to learn from that. And for some of you, it's that the energies are keeping on, you know, same energy is coming around and around, because you're thinking maybe like that. You need to work on that, I feel like that. For some of you, it's coming like that, so take a look on that also. And with this faith card, I feel with the stars, your wishes will be fulfilled, okay. Maybe you need to just let go your past. Yes, you let go your past, because your future is bright, but you need to let go your past, I feel like that. And your destiny is to be happy, okay. Your destiny, your faith is to be happy, and it's not, because no one comes in the world to be unhappy, you know. They come here to be to live a happy life. Your future self wants you to know that, okay. You didn't come here to be always unhappy, okay. So yeah, and with these wings, I feel the angels are around you. You're not connecting with them, because you are so much in this 3D world that you are not trusting your intuition, okay. So I feel for many of you, you're leaving something, okay. Leaving something behind, a relationship or something. Maybe it's your destiny to leave that behind. And because of when you leave that behind, when you let go of that, I feel then your energy will gain momentum, and you will achieve the things that you want to achieve in your life, I feel like that. Finally, that cycle, that rotating cycle, the things that were keeping on coming back to you is gonna end, I feel like that. And look, something new again, you're building blocks now. So finally you're getting out of that cycle. Okay, I feel like that is coming here. That you are ending a cycle. Finally you're ending a cycle completely and moving into something new where you will be building blocks. Okay, so it's going to be slow, it's not going to be fast, because it takes time to build a house. It takes time, you need some time. So like that also for many of you, you're gonna, with this look, 8 9 10, again you have 10 number. Okay, so something new is coming. So finally that the cycle that was keeping on repeating, finally you have learned the lesson. Okay, and you are moving into a new direction finally. So your future self is very happy about it, I feel like that. And they're telling you that you're doing a new that you're doing a great job. Keep on working on that. So don't stress, because this is new, so it will take time. Okay, keep on building the blocks, keep on working, keep on, even if it's a new career, just keep on working. You will get the success, you will reach the top. If it's a new relationship, keep on working. Relationship also takes works. Okay, so that, keep on working on relationship, on your finances, on your goals. It will, you will be able to build it and make it you will be able to construct it, and it will be beautiful. Okay, so the next thing, look, yeah, again something new, definitely new opportunity is there. You will be signing new contracts or something like that, that will change your life in a way. Okay, and finally the things are balanced. Yes, the things are going to be balanced for you guys with this scale, I feel like that. So right now, there was a cycle that was keeping it was repeating, it was just keep on repeating, and you were like, when will I get out of this cycle? And finally your future self is saying, you're letting go of that cycle, you're letting go of that past, you have learned your lesson, now you're going to move forward. Okay, so yes, so take baby steps, don't take one large step, take baby steps. Okay, so this is something new. And with the 6th number, yes, you will have this peaceful thing, you will have this peace inside you, because I feel your energies are also getting aligned. In the future your energies will get aligned. And if you are searching for a job or something like that, something new relationship, it's gonna manifest for you guys. With the 6, with this card, contracts, some contracts you will sign, just take a look on it, research, and then only sign. That is also important here. Anyway, you might have a new job contract signing, you will be signing that, or maybe you will be buying a home, you will sign a contract with that is your wish. And finally something will be, you will be building it. Okay, so that is like, take small steps, don't worry, because it's going to manifest for you. And look, yes, with this 22 number, first of all, I feel balance. With this 2 numbers, I feel balance. I talked about that balance. Finally balance is coming, the energies are getting balanced. Okay, finally you are learning things, and finally you're understanding what was going wrong in your life, what the changes you have to make, and finally you're making the changes. You're finally letting go of the things, and finally you are getting new opportunities. Your yin and yang energies are getting balanced. Because I feel you have worked, you were working on yourself, in your inner growth, and finally the divine masculine, divine feminine energy is getting balanced. So yes, I feel like that was this yin and yang. Finally the energies are getting balanced. So how much you will work, you will receive. Okay, so that is what is coming. So in the past you used to work and you used to not get anything because your energies were not balanced. Okay, now finally I feel like that. And for some of you, your twin flame connection is getting stronger, and you will be meeting this person, and your relationship will start. I feel like that also. So twin flame connection is also happening here, and you're like, you're building blocks together, something like that is also coming here. Look, 9 of Wands, preparation. So yes, that was something that this all happened in your life for a reason. It was preparing you for this new step. Okay, for this new opportunity. So yes, you have endured a lot, but you have been like, you were starting, you were standing, you were not giving up, and that's a good thing. Your future self is saying you haven't given up, you have been standing, you have been believing, and now yes, it's the time for new opportunities, and finally things coming in balance, finally relationships coming in balance, finally you're meeting your twin flame, and getting married or something like that is also it's coming. Yes, you were not seeing, but right now you're not seeing that. Right now, yes, with this 4 of Cups, I feel you're not seeing that right now. You're like very stressed about it, but believe, keep on believing. Your future self I was saying keep on believing, keep on working, because you have so much of inner strength here. You are courageous people. Just keep on believing and keep on manifesting the things you want. Don't lose hope, don't give up. Okay, you are building blocks, you're doing good. Okay, you will be building blocks in future. Or maybe some of you have started this job. Just keep on working, because even though right now you don't see that everything will be okay, everything will be successful, it will be. You have that much of strength. Okay, everything will be okay. You will be very peaceful also with this white color. I feel this lady is so peaceful. Okay, so your energy is look, we have this King of Cups here. King of Cups is like balanced energy. Again, balance. Now right now your life, in your life, things are not balanced. So the main message I'm getting from this is that finally things will be balanced for you. Finally your career will be balanced. Finally your relationship will be balanced. Finally energies are balancing inside you, divine feminine and divine masculine. Finally you will realize your power. Okay, and you were fighting for it, and finally things are manifesting for you. Okay, in the future things will be manifesting for you, and some with this divine masculine type of energy is coming into your life. With this King of Cups also, this person will help you balance more. The twin flame connection is also, I can see with this spiral, twin flame connection. Maybe you are manifesting it, and finally you will be coming together. Okay, so just keep on working. You're building the foundations. Take baby steps and keep on building. Okay, you will reach there. It's not an easy process, definitely, but you will reach there. So, and I feel your future self wants you to know that yes, you have done good. You have been believing in your dreams, and just right now you can't see the potential. You can't see what is going to happen. You're not seeing it, but eventually universe will provide you with that. Okay, so that's what it's coming. Okay, your future self wants you to be happy, and now accept the things as it is. Okay, be in the present. Okay, so yeah, so let's see what are the charms have for you for group number 2. Again, we got the 10 number, new beginnings for sure. Look, yeah, yes, we have this like here 10. Again we got a 10, 64. Okay, so yes, new beginnings for sure. Okay, $11. Okay, the master number 11. Yeah, justice will be served. I feel like that, because in tarot 11 is justice and it's a master number, so you will get your clarity about something. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. You will get the clarity about something, and you'll be able to move forward in your life, because with this clarity, I told you the cycle was repeating. Now it's gonna end. The cycle is gonna end, and you will go into new phase in your life. Yeah, slowly but surely with this tortoise. It's not going to be a fast process. I told you, baby steps. So yeah, okay, just go with the flow. Go with the flow of life. Just be in the present moment. Go with the flow. Yeah, you're going. You're very ambitious, and just keep that and keep moving forward with your ambition. You will reach there. Okay. There will be challenges, but don't stop. I feel like that. And yes, you will have the wealth you want with this god Corey. I feel like that also, that ocean goddess is blessing you. Okay, that is coming here. And yes, fairies, be joyful, happy. Okay, sometimes it's not easy, but you need to have that energy inside you, and you need to trust the universe. You need to trust yourself. That's what it's coming here. Okay, so let's see what the letters have for you. Okay, so we have A. It's something that is a starting letter, so something new. Definitely, I feel like that. Look, yeah, A. Endings of something, new beginnings, complete new beginnings. Why? Finally the cycle is ending. Yeah, I told you that the cycle that was repeating, that's gonna end and new things are coming. D, C, W, blank, and F. Okay, you might have some initials or something like that. And Okay, that's all I have for you guys. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment, or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye. Take care. Hello, group number 3 who were chose this obsidian. I feel what your future self wants you to know is about your career, because obsidian is about rules Capricorn sign. I feel like that, so maybe it's all about your career. They want you to know. Maybe you're stressed about your career or someone. I don't know what the card says, but it's something about your career, something about reaching high in your life, reaching the high position that you want in your life. Maybe your dreams are very very big, and yeah, that's why you chose this obsidian. Okay, let's see. Yang energy. Yes, one number is all about leadership. Okay, we got this yang energy here. So after this yang energy, I feel like that your future self wants you to know that don't stop. Okay, they want you to know that just keep doing what you're doing because it's working. Okay, if you give your 100% to something, you will receive 100%. Okay, so that's the first thing I'm getting from this card is, and the number one is all about leadership. You have this leadership quality. Okay, so maybe if you, I was saying about that, if you want high position in your life, you will be able to achieve, you will be able to with this leadership you'll be able to train other people. I feel like that also. Maybe okay, yeah, that's the thing. You will be able to train other people. You will be able to give them orders what to do, what not to do, something like that. You have this great leadership quality. And with this yang energy, first thing that is coming here, just keep on doing what you're doing. Okay, and you have this leadership quality, and take charge of the situation because you have that quality. So that is what, don't feel weak that you will not be able to achieve. Just keep on doing, keep on doing. If even if you're not seeing the results now, that doesn't mean that this will not work out, because it will work out eventually. So don't lose hope, don't give up. So that is what your future self wants you to know. Yeah. Yes, exchanging gifts. Okay, so you have this gift. I feel for some of you, many of you, you have this spiritual gift that you need to show to other people. You have this gift inside, you have this talent inside, and you are not letting it out because you're afraid what other people will tell you. Okay, so yeah, with this I feel like that's, you need to let it out, get out of the box, because this this angel is getting out of the box. So it's time you exchange your gifts with other people. Okay, so you have this gift but you're afraid of giving to other people. Maybe you have some spiritual gift. Maybe you are good counselors, or maybe you're a good therapist, or maybe you're good like this tarot card readers or something like that, and you need to let it to the world, give it to the world. Okay, maybe you have some spiritual good, maybe you're good motivators, maybe you love to write, so write it. Whatever it is, whatever your gift is, show to the world, because that will work out. Okay, don't stop yourself. And for many of you, I'm feeling that you are doing it now. So yes, keep on doing, because you will receive the gift with this exchanging gift. And with this yang energy, the how much you are giving, you will receive it back. That's the thing here coming with this pink color. Love. Okay, do it with love, do it with your passion. Okay, you're very very passionate about this thing, so just keep on moving. So with this career thing, with this new career thing, don't stress. Whatever your career is, whatever you're doing, just keep on doing, because that is working, and you will receive the gifts also. Okay, that is also, you will receive it. And with this cat, okay, many of you are psychic for sure. I feel like that you know what you need to do. Your intuition is strong, so trust your intuition and go with it. Okay, that is what is coming. Maybe you're in a spiritual field also, maybe you do Reiki or something like that. Okay, so just keep on keep on doing that. Okay, because it's working. Don't lose hope right now, because your gift will help other people. In return, it will give you abundance. Okay, so just keep on working. I feel that is what is coming. It's not the time to lose hope, it's not the time to give up. It's the time to work and keep on moving forward, and you will be independent. If you're you will be independent. If you want financial freedom, you will be having that also. I feel like that with this obsidian also. Yeah, that's what. Or maybe independence in relationship, if you're in a codependent relationship, if you were, so you will have that independence also, because you will be making your own decision. You will have the power to make own decisions. I feel like that. Anyways, yeah, look, we have two angels over here. We have Archangel Raphael and Angel of Strength. So finally you're healing, and you are, many of you are opening your heart center, and because of that you're going to receive the blessings. You were healing. I think you were in the process of healing, and finally you're healed and your heart center is opening up, and you will be able to receive that abundance. Okay, and look, Angel of Strength is also that. So yes, you are very, very courageous people, and you have endured a lot. Okay, you have endured a lot in your life, and that you have the courage to overcome anything, overcome any obstacles in your life. That's the thing your future self wants you to know, that you have that inner strength. And with this card and this card both, I feel it's the time to take action, go forward, move forward, because you're the king, you're the queen. Okay, so just keep on doing what you're doing. Don't lose hope. So many of you here are losing hope. So that's why your future self is like, you are the lioness, you are the lion. Yes, just keep on moving forward, don't lose hope. They're telling you, it's time to receive, it's time to receive. Okay, sometimes what happened, we just give up, like just before we were, you're going to be successful, that kind of thing. I feel like that. So just don't give up, keep on doing, because you will receive the blessings. Okay, yes, Tower, lot of changes. So something happened that completely shattered you, or that's why you had a lot of inner strength. But this change is going to make you stronger, more wiser. I feel for many of you this changes happened. I feel like that a Tower moment has happened in your life, and that was unexpected. But now maybe in your future self wants you to know that you will be happy because this happened, because it is going to make you more stronger, more powerful, and because of that you are working on your gifts, and you are exploring yourself. You're trying to be more independent because of this Tower moment happened. I feel like that. Yes, transformation, look at that, your complete death card, complete transformation. You are with this Tower and this death. Yes, something emotional happened, something has happened in your life. Maybe you lost a job, maybe your relationship didn't work out, and that is changing you completely. Maybe you had problems in your relationship, and because of that you're taking back your power. You have endured a lot, and finally you're taking your power back, your inner strength. And because of this your heart was closed, because you had experienced so much, but finally you are opening your heart. Okay, so your future self wants you to know that you have done good. Okay, you're completely transforming. Okay, you have so much of gifts. Because of this also, maybe some of you realize your gifts, that can also happen. And something different you're doing, completely different, that you didn't think you would do. Something different you're doing right now in your life, and your future self wants you to know that all happened for a reason. You don't have to worry about anything. That all, that these all things made you strong, right? So for maybe for some of you there will be a Tower moment happening that will transform your life completely, and at that point it might be heartbreaking, or maybe something very bad. You will feel very bad, but it will be changing you from inside out. Your ego will be, your ego death will happen, and you will be like completely, your karma will be balanced, and you will be having a good life. I feel like that. And for many of you, I feel this Tower moment, this is a past thing. I feel like for many of you, you have endured this Tower moment, and you have transforming. Your inner self is different now. Your thinking is completely different, and now the good thing is that you are healing. For many of you, you are healing, and right now you're opening your heart center. Okay, so yeah, so for many of, oh my god, look at that. Look, you're walking away from all these things. You're walking away, you're walking away from all the instability. And you got this 10 of cups and 10 of pentacles energy, 2 tens. Okay, so yeah, wow, that's beautiful. So your future self wants you to know that you are very courageous. You have endured a lot, you have transformed yourself, and for many of you, I feel like you have worked on your inner self. Okay, you have I feel for many of you, you have done the inner work, like what is your shadow side. Also, you have worked on that. Also, you're getting, you're becoming more kinder, more understanding. You're understanding different people thoughts, and finally with this, all the instability is gonna go away. with this transformation, with this transformation, all the instability is all going away, and you're going to be very happy in your career, you'll be very happy in your love life. You will have a prosperous life. I feel like that you're meant to have a prosperous life. So your future self wants you to know that yes, things have happened in your life. Maybe for some of you are going through this tower moment right now, and because of this tower moment, you will transform into a different person. From inside you will be transforming. You're changing your perspective, you're understanding what is your true value, you're taking your power back, you're taking your independence back, and you're not giving in to anyone who is letting you down. Okay, you are just moving away from all that kind of relationship, all that situations that is not serving you, because you're taking a stand. Okay, so this requires a lot of inner strength, and you have that inner strength, and because of that you have worked so much, you have endured so much. Now in the future it's time to be successful, it's time to be prosperous, it's time to have all the abundance. With these two cards, look, coming out, you got an extra card, and that was this, these two tens. So yeah, for sure you will have this 10 of cups energy, 10 of pentacles energy, where you will be satisfied in your life, where your cup will be overflowing. You will have a good family life. So if your family you had problem, if your relationship you had problem, if you had a breakup, in the future you will have a good family life, a stable family life for sure with these two tens. Okay, and yes, all the instability, you're moving away from the instability, you're moving away from the things that is not serving you, you're moving away from the you right now you are doing that, you're healing right now for many of you, and for some of you I feel you're healed, and now you're like taking your power back. Okay, you're taking your power back, and that will lead to success, prosperity. Yes, your future is so good, beautiful. Your future self wants you to embrace that. Your future self is saying yes, you have so much potential, give it to the world, come out of the comfort zone completely. If you're not coming out, just come out. You have so much to offer to the world, you are a leader, right? So that is what I got from the cards. Let's see your charms and letters. Okay, so for group number 3, what your charms have for you, what your future self wants you to know. Future self wants you to know. Okay, balance again with this number 2, partnerships coming together. Balance is coming again, 2 number here. Look, partnerships, strong partnerships, I feel like that. Sun, look at the sun is shining, creative ideas, and sun is all about abundance, prosperity. Look, wisdom, again this tree. I don't know why I feel with this tree. Like yeah, prosperity is coming. You have worked hard, you have built this foundation, and prosperity is definitely your. And with this also, goddess, ocean goddess wants you to say that you're going to be prosperous. Wow, look, you're so wise. You have some spiritual gifts. You're embracing it, and you will work on it. Maybe something new you will be doing in your life. Your future self wants you to go with it. Okay, if you want to start a business, go with it. You're very wise people. Love, again love. Make love with, if you're feeling stuck in a decision, make it with love. Trust your intuition and do that. Use your intuition will give you the right path. That is also coming. Things coming together. Okay, yes, with this word also, I don't know, for this pile I feel freedom. You will get the freedom you want. And rabbit is about abundance, and plus I feel things moving faster, because you're feeling stuck. Sometimes sometimes you feel stuck so maybe this the career you are feeling right now stuck, you're feeling a little bit unstable, because even though your heart is like healing, you're in a healing process, but you're feeling that things are not moving fast enough. But I feel in the future things will be moving fast also, and you will do something creative. I feel like that. So wow, your future is bright. Okay, you have this leadership quality, but embrace it, work on it, don't give up. If you give up, then it's not gonna come. Okay, so that is the energies are very, you have the potential. That is what you have, the potential of good partnership, good life. You can live, you can live your dreams. You have that much power, you have that manifestation power. Please work on that. Okay, so what are your letters? Let's see. Okay, so for my group 3, Y O N P V O I K. Okay. Yo. Okay, I'm not able to make a word though. No. Okay, for something, no, don't stress. Or maybe if you have an question now, I feel the answer is no. Okay. Sometimes no is a good thing, right? So maybe, yeah. Okay, then okay. Okay, if you get some word, just comment down below. Okay, so I will see you soon. If you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. Okay, bye bye.